Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Nusrat. Here we make a grammar easy speaking and naturally learning and exciting. Whether you are a student or a professional or just a passionate about English, and this channel is for you. And today I'm going to take a rapid fire. But before starting the rapid fire,
Sure, ma'am. This is Adiba from Bihar.
okay, in which class do you study?
I study in 7th class.
Okay. So shall we start?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. The first question is that I would like to ask related to the state of being. You know the what is the structure of the subject plus V1 plus and adjective also state of being. मैं खुश हूँ.
I'm happy.
क्या मैं खुश हूँ?
Am I happy?
क्या मैं खुश नहीं हूँ?
Amn't I happy?
Yeah, am I not happy? वो थका हुआ है.
He is tired.
वे परेशान है.
He is dejected.
वे परेशान है. वे means they are.
They are dejected.
Yes. वह बीमार है.
They.
वह बीमार है.
They are.
वह बीमार है.
He is ill.
यस. तुम भूखे हो?
Are you hungry?
क्या तुम भूखे नहीं हो?
Are you not hungry?
क्या मैं भूखी हूँ?
Am I hungry?
क्या मैं खुश हूँ?
Am I happy?
क्या तुम दुखी हो?
Are you sad?
यह मजेदार है.
It's funny.
क्या यह मजेदार है?
Is it funny?
तुम गुस्से में हो?
Are you angry?
मैं बिजी हूँ. आई एम वेस्ट. या
I am busy.
ओके. वह डर गया है.
He is frightened.
हम खुश हैं.
We are happy.
हम खुश नहीं हैं.
We are not happy.
क्या हम खुश हैं?
Are we happy?
क्या हम खुश नहीं हैं?
Are we not happy?
वह अकेला है.
He is alone.
मैं थका हुआ हूँ.
I am tired.
वे चिंतित है.
He is anxious.
they.
They are anxious.
मैं ऊर्जावान हूँ.
I am strong.
Yes, I am energetic.
I am energetic.
यह आसान है.
Is it easy?
क्या यह आसान है?
Is it easy?
तुम सुंदर हो.
You are beautiful.
वह लड़की शांत है.
That girl is calm.
वह अच्छा है.
He is good.
तुम समझदार हो.
You are understanding.
या वह आत्मविश्वासी है.
He is confident.
मैं गंभीर हूँ.
I am serious.
तुम मजाकिया हो.
You are jovial.
या
Funny.
यस. मैं प्रेरित हूँ.
Pardon?
मैं प्रेरित हूँ. आई एम मोटिवेटेड.
I'm motivated.
यस. हम साहसी है.
We are brave.
तुम चौकस हो.
You are alert.
राधा होशियार है.
Radha is happy.
तुम विचारशील हो.
You are thoughtful.
मैं रचनात्मक हूँ।
I am interesting.
या आई एम क्रिएटिव। तुम साहसी हो।
You are brave.
यस, वो गर्वित है।
He is serious.
प्राउड।
Proud.
या मैं तनाव मुक्त हूँ।
I am unstressed.
या आई एम स्ट्रेस फ्री। अभी मैं आपको
Unstressed.
जैसे हैविंग सेड दैट का जैसे कल मैंने आपको प्रैक्टिस कराई थी। अब हम
Yes.
स्ट्रक्चर तो बताने की जरूरत नहीं, आपको ऑलरेडी कल ही मैंने बता दिया था। अब मैं उससे रिलेटेड कुछ सेंटेंस पूछूंगी आपको। यह आसान नहीं था लेकिन फिर भी मैंने कर लिया।
It was not easy. Having said that, I did that.
या आई स्टिल डिड इट। वो बहुत मेहनती है फिर भी गलती हो गई है।
He is very laborious. Having said that, he mistook.
या ही इज स्टिल मेड अ मिस्टेक। वो अच्छा दोस्त है
He
लेकिन गुस्सा जल्दी करता है।
is a very good friend. Having said that, he angry.
ही गेट्स एंग्री इजीली।
He get he gets angry easily.
यहाँ रहना सस्ता है फिर भी सुविधा कम है।
It's easy to live here. Having said that, there is no facility.
या लिविंग हेयर इज अ चीप एंड हैविंग सेड दैट इट्स अ लैक कंफर्ट। अंग्रेजी सीखना मुश्किल है लेकिन मजेदार भी है।
Learning English is hard. Having said that, it's interesting to learn.
या इट्स ऑल्सो फन।
It's also fun.
अभी जैसे हम लिटिल डिड आई नो के बारे में बात करेंगे। कल वो स्ट्रक्चर कंप्लीट किया था हम लोगों ने। मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो इतना मददगार होगा।
Little did I know he was very helpful.
लिटिल डिड आई नो दैट ही वुड बी सो हेल्पफुल। मैंने सोचा था कि यह आसान होगा।
Little did I know that it would be so easy.
या लिटिल डिड आई नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट वुड बी। मुझे अंदाजा नहीं था कि यह मेरी जिंदगी बदल देगा।
Little did I know this can change my life.
मुझे लगा कि वो मजाक कर रहा था। मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो मजाक कर रहा था।
Little did I know he was joking.
यस, मुझे नहीं पता था कि यह मैं कर सकता हूँ।
Little did I know that I can do this.
अच्छा, अभी आपने जैसे दो स्ट्रक्चर सीखे, एक हैविंग सेड दैट और लिटिल डिड आई नो। तो अभी मुझे 5 से 6 लाइन की एक स्टोरी बनाकर दिखाओ। उस स्टोरी में ये दो स्ट्रक्चर यूज करके बताओ।
Okay. Any hints, ma'am?
यू शुड कुक योर सेल्फ।
You should cook yourself.
जैसे
Having
कल
said,
ओके आई एम गोइंग टू गिव द सिचुएशन इन हिंदी। कल मैं बाजार गई थी और मार्केट में देखा काफी भीड़ थी। और फिर मैं शॉर्टकट से जा रही थी। मुझे नहीं पता था कि मुझे और देर हो जाएगी। इस तरह से हमको कुछ 2 से 3 लाइन की स्टोरी बताना है। फिर मैं जैसे ही सुपरमार्केट पहुंची, मैंने वहां पर कुछ ऑफर चल रही थी, बम्पर ऑफर। तो फिर मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट परचेस किए थे। हालांकि प्रोडक्ट अच्छे थे लेकिन जब मैंने कैलकुलेशन किया तो कुछ खास इफेक्ट नहीं था। जैसे हम एक साइड अच्छी बताते हैं और एक साइड हम बुरी बताते हैं हैविंग सेड दैट में। जैसे ये मोबाइल अच्छा
yes,
अच्छा था लेकिन ये महंगा था। इस तरह से स्टोरी बनाओ। यू कैन डू इट।
okay, ma'am. Yesterday, I was going to the market and there was a huge crowd. So I think that let's do the shortcut way. When I do the shortcut way, there was also a huge crowd and I stopped there. Having said that, I somehow come from here and there, and I came to my home. After reaching my home, I um, start making dinner. Little did I know dinner would be so bad.
Okay. And right now you should make a Hindi to English sentence by yourself. वो अमीर है फिर भी कंजूस है.
He, he is rich. Having said that, she is stingy. आप इंग्लिश जानते हैं उसके बावजूद भी नहीं बोलते. You know English. Having said that, you don't speak.
मैंने अपना नंबर उससे शेयर किया था. मुझे क्या पता था कि वो अच्छी लड़की नहीं है.
I shared my number with her. Little did I know she is not a good girl.
Very good. Okay, tell me which subject would you like to do mostly?
Which
subject do you like most?
I like English usually.
Okay. And how much time do you spend for learning this language?
I spend mostly, I think, 3 to 4 hours.
Okay. So what kind of efforts are you putting this day to improve your English?
I just watch some officers videos and talk in this group. And
Okay.
I also read books.
Okay. And could you tell me about your hobby?
Yes, my hobby is reading books and doing crafts.
Okay. So what kind of books do you read?
I read story books usually.
Could you tell me one of the story right now?
Yes.
Yeah.
There used to be a bear, and he was a writer, and he used to write many stories. But one day, a deer came to him and gave him an envelope, and there was a rejection letter. He felt so embarrassed after watching the rejection letter, but he motivated himself and used to write the letter. But one day, once again, he came to the rejection letter, and after that, he felt so embarrassed. And one day, he went to the park for making himself to feel good, and he was sitting up. Then his nephew came to him, and he started asking about him to his uncle. He said that my all stories has been rejected, and after that the nephew said that I have to go to my mother because I have some work, and he went to the estate to his uncle's house, and he found a huge garbage bin next to his house. He saw there, and he took some envelope, and he took that, and there was his uncle's stories. He took them with his home, and he studied there. The story was very fantastic, and but his uncle's writing was not that much good, so it has been rejected. And he took all the stories and type on the computer, and he sent to the Champak line channel, and his stories got so famous. And one day, the envelope would come to him, and he was became the famous writer on that town. So he felt very good, and he went to his um, nephew and thanked him.
Okay. So what did you learn from this story?
I learned that we should never give up. We should find our mistakes and rectify our mistakes.
Okay. And do you watch cartoon?
Yes.
Which cartoon?
Usually, I watch Augie and the Cockroach.
Why?
Because there is so much fun.
Okay. So do you watch this cartoon with your mama? Yeah, do you watch alone?
I watch with my brother.
Okay, do you have brother?
Yes,
How many brother do you have?
I have only one brother.
Okay. You say something about your friend, the best friend.
Yes. No, I have no best friend.
You don't have?
No,
Okay.
I have just friends.
Yeah. And about your teacher? The best teacher, who is the best
Uh,
teacher in your school?
yes, my best teacher is Priya Miss.
Mm-hmm.
She teaches English and math as well. She is a very nice lady. She always speaks very softly to us.
Okay.
Also, sometimes she helps in our exam. She
Okay.
sometimes shares her lunch with us.
Mm-hmm.
And the way she teaches, I like so much. I understand everything what she teaches.
Okay. So what kind of game do you play?
I play hopscotch.
Okay. With your friends? Yeah, with your bro.
Yes, with my friends.
Okay. And which weather do you like?
Mm, Pardon, ma'am.
Which weather do you like?
I like summer
Why?
because in summer we get to have so many fruits and there's also so many festivals.
Okay. You don't like to rainy season, winter season?
No, I like, but not that much.
Okay. Do you have any question for me?
Ma'am, what's your name?
Nusrat,
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra. Basically, I live in Aurangabad. I'm yoga teacher and as well as dietitian. And recently, I started my YouTube channel. Would you like to do the
Yes,
session next
ma'am.
time again with me?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for
You
joining
really
with me.
teach. Thank you so much, ma'am. You really teach us very well. I learned new things today.
Oh my gosh, it's my pleasure. Okay, we will see you in the
Yes,
next session. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking with a confidence. And see you in the next video. Have a nice day.